Our world is changing, and so is the way we produce food.
The global population is growing rapidly, increasing pressure on food systems. Traditional farming can no longer meet demand sustainably. But what if there was a cleaner, smarter way? Its environmental impact is massive: land use, emissions, and water waste. Welcome to the world of cultured meat. It begins with a single cell. Welcome to the world of cultured meat.
Lab-grown meat is real meat created directly from animal cells. This holographic model allows us to observe the organ at a microscopic level.
But without raising or slaughtering any animals. These cells grow naturally, just like they would inside an animal.
It all starts small, in a Petri dish.
We introduce the catalyst, initiating the energy transfer sequence.
No slaughter needed.
Real meat without raising animals. A very small sample is taken from a healthy animal.
These cells are fed nutrients to help them grow.
Inside controlled incubators, the cells begin multiplying. The real growth happens inside bioreactors.
Here, cells are given oxygen, temperature, and nutrients, just like inside an animal.
Cells attach to edible scaffolds to grow into real muscle.
Maturity confirmed. The tissue is viable.
Once grown, the meat is carefully structured. Layers are shaped to match natural meat textures. Even fat marbling can be created for flavor.
Step 3. Meat structure built.
The meat is then processed into familiar forms.
Cultured meat uses a fraction of the land.
Its carbon footprint is dramatically lower.
The integration of these solar arrays directly into our green roofing systems maximizes energy efficiency.
The data is clear. The global adoption of cultured meat is accelerating. We are seeing unprecedented growth. Unprecedented growth.
Look at the marbling on this steak. It looks incredible.
It really does. Let's get to these tonight.
The returns on the Greener Future portfolio are exceeding all expectations. We're looking at a 40% increase. The 30% increase. This is fantastic news for the company.
I agree completely. We projected growth, but this exceeds expectations.
Patience.
This seamless integration of our global production network is yielding significant results.
Absolutely. The efficiency.
Let's get two. Should we get this one?
Wait, look right there. They have the new plant-based burgers in stock.
Oh, perfect. We have to try these tonight.
Absolutely. The efficiency.
This network ensures we can supply our culture meat restaurants globally.
Exactly, and the market response in these locations has been phenomenal.
Yeah.
The quality of this cultured meat is superb.
Yeah, we're very proud of what we've achieved here. Yes,
It's truly impressive.
Yeah.
I am impressive.
Yeah.
Look at these acceptance rates. Incredible.
Maximum acceptance achieved. Great work.
Look at that growth. Maximum acceptance across the board.
This is excellent news for the new biotech roles we discussed. These innovations are creating new biotech job roles, empowering farmers with cleaner, sustainable technologies.
It's incredible. Fresh cultured meat, ready for the table.
Look at that marbling.
Incredible.
It's synthesized perfectly. We're ready for the tasting. This is the culmination of 5 years of research. A perfect Wagyu analog, synthesized on-site. This is not science fiction. This is the future of food.